Well, we're forever looking for an easy and fast way to achieve great hair at home. But for many of us, creating that salon look is a little bit impossible. Today could be the answer that you have been looking for. And with Mother's Day just around the corner, it could also be the perfect gift for mum. Today I'm joined by VS Sassoon stylist Rob Reeves. He's back on the morning show to show us an amazing product that can give you that perfect wave or the smoothest frizz-free hair. Hi Rob, welcome back. This sounds amazing.
It is amazing. So the new VS Sassoon Smooth and Wave does everything that you want at home. It smooths your hair, it waves your hair. It's absolutely amazing. Simply at a flick of a switch, you can create endless results.
Yeah, when you look at it at first, you think, oh, I've seen this product before, but it's like nothing else, right? How does it work?
Absolutely like nothing else. It's absolutely beautifully designed. So it's going to add smoothness and shine into the hair. We've got 3 temperature settings depending on thickness of hair. We also have 3 rotation settings, so you can create beachy waves, beautiful runway looks, or beautiful smooth finishes. Whatever you desire, you can create in one tool.
I love this. Okay, waves are big, so let's start with the wave feature. How does that work?
So it's really simple. You heat it up until the light stops flashing, flick over to wave mode, face the barrel towards the head, close, hair draws in, wait till it stops beeping. Then there'll be a quick chime, release and repeat that action until you've done the whole head. It's that simple. You can leave the curls as they are or you can brush them out for a really sexy runway look.
And of course, when you're waving, it creates that perfect basis if you want to do an upstyle. Now, we've got Gabrielle in the studio and she's going to show you how to do this at home. I love that she's doing her own hair because, Rob, let's be honest, there's so many young girls at home that go all sorts of wrong when they curl their hair because they haven't got the right tool.
Absolutely.
This is quick and easy and safe.
Simple, safe, anti-tangle feature so it won't tangle in the hair. Simply beeps and then you just need to release and you've created the most beautiful wave in the hair.
Now, obviously, with such a short segment, we're only getting her to do a section to show you how it works. But look at that. I love the smoothness. That anti-frizz for curl is amazing. Now, Gabrielle, I want you to run your fingers through your hair. I mean, you could put a bit of beach spray in this and get that real beach look, or you could put an upstyle. See, I love that. Look at that.
It's really great for daytime, for evening, pin a little bit up, make a really sexy sort of evening look as well. Really simple.
Yeah, now we're going to have a look at it before and after because it really does make a difference. Gabrielle's hair, obviously, with being blonde, you do have that little bit of frizz naturally, but this has taken it all out and it's just given it such a smooth, carefree effect. Love the different temperature controls as well. That's a really good feature. Let's have a look at the straightening feature because it's so hard to believe that one unit can do both.
So really simple, turn the styler around. We have the plates on the side. Once again, wait till the light stops flashing, turn over to smooth. Ensure that the plates are facing towards the head. Close down, you'll notice that it gently draws the hair into heat for optimal smoothness and just repeat that process and create the most beautiful frizz-free result in the hair.
Now, once again, we've got the girls demonstrating. Now, this is because it actually does draw the hair straight into the unit itself.
It does. So the benefit of that with the ceramic technology in the barrel, it actually just gently heats the hair to create optimal smoothness and shine in the hair.
Look how much shine Jess has got in her hair. That looks beautiful. Sometimes you get that little bit of smoke. Just explain that because some people think, oh, is that my hair heating up?
No, so it's not the hair heating up. It's just basically any product that's in the hair. So if there's a little bit of heat protection or a leave-in moisturiser, then it's just that steam coming off from that product.
Yeah, and I think the before and after speak for themselves. Look how gorgeous her hair is. She's pretty happy about that hair, as would you be if you had that gorgeous hair. Where can we get the Smooth and Wave?
So the Smooth and Wave, it's available online or in most major retailers, Kaz.
Love it. Mother's Day's approaching. Please tell us morning show viewers get a deal.
Of course they do. So we have a really great deal from VS Sassoon this Mother's Day. For a limited time, you can redeem $30 cash back on all Smooth and Wave purchases.
Yeah, that is amazing. And it comes with this great little mat. So for those of you that worry about a heat element on your makeup table or if you're working on the kitchen table, that actually protects it. It comes with it in your gift box. Head to the website, vssassoon.com.au. Great tips and hints on there as well. Or for your nearest stocks, give them a call, 1800 650 263. Thanks, team.
Thank you.